Look at that. I am starving. And I know people like don't even, it's in a clip, so because I washed it. So just ignore that, right? Anyway, oh my god, I'm so starving. Literally, I'm hungry. I think I've had one Rocky bar. I'll tell you why. Okay, let me just have some for a waste away. If you haven't eaten, by the way, eat something. Something's better than nothing. Doesn't have to be this big, but something. And if you have eaten, what did you have? Anyway, oh my god, these are delicious. These are those gastro ones. Salted seeds. So I did plate it up on my other back up. Anyway, my daughter got a new room today. She's got a divan bed. Really nice. Actually, I got it from TikTok. And no, it wasn't free. I brought it. And it's actually really nice. I paid about 240 for a divan bed, 4 drawers, headboard, but no mattress. Yes, this is mayo on peas. Come on, mayo and peas, best combo, I'm telling you. Try it. Anyway, small double, did I say that? Anyway, so. My friend came over. I literally made coffee in the morning, went upstairs, took the metal bed down, took the cupboard down that she had in her room. Bearing in mind, we'd done it, but we struggled with tools that we improvised with. And every single time, even to put the divan bed up, like the headboard, the easiest thing that we could have used, we noticed right at the end. Every fucking thing. Bed down, cupboard. Honestly, you should. It doesn't matter because we did it, right? That one down, tidied up. I gave her Ellie's old bed. I kept the mattress, but the bed frame. I gave her the cupboard. So we did two trips down to her house. One of the things we couldn't get in the car, so it was like hanging out the back, and she was like hanging onto it so it didn't fall out. But it didn't, but you know, probably whatever. It worked, and it was us, so we had to do it. And then we came back, put the divan bed up, sorted out Ellie's room. She's got these cool bedside tables with LED lights. Anyway, made her a cheese sandwich afterwards. I just couldn't eat. I was too much like in that zone, do you know what I mean? So I had a Rocky bar. And then it was school run, and then we got Ellie home, and I swear to God, her face was priceless. She was literally like, oh my God, I actually love it, because I wanted it all done. Oh my God, it's so nice. And then me and her had to go through all the stuff that I had on my bed, see what she wanted to get rid of. Then I did the kids' tea. Then I packed everything up for the dump tomorrow, and some more stuff to bring down with friends. Put the washing on, put Tommy to bed. Oh, had a shower, put Tommy to bed. Here I am doing this, and then hang the washing up and then sit down. What a fucking day. It was funny though. It was funny. Me and my friend had a laugh. Honestly. It was good. And that was my day, guys. Seriously, I'm ready for beddy booze. But I probably won't. I might give that a bit tomorrow. Who's likes a bit of fish? Those 2 bits. This is delicious, actually. Minus the mayonnaise, that's actually pretty healthy. Anyway, have a good evening.